Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the templates in Adobe Premiere Pro or how you can import those templates. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to go to this option. If you want to create a new project, or you can open the recent projects as well. So I'm going to click on the new project option. And now simply we have to choose some clips, but I'm going to click on the create. And after clicking on the create, as you can see, now we are here. Now simply what we have to do, we have to go to this icon here. Now we have to click on this. And after clicking on this icon, we have to go to the effects option. And after going to the effects option, as you can see, we have to scroll down, or you will get this option here. So we have to click on this option. And after clicking on this option, we have to go to the template folder, that where our template is. For example, I'm going to open this one here, and you can see this file here, .mogt. You have to import this file here. So I'm going to select this, and now simply we have to click on the open. And as you can see, I have already imported this, so you will not get this option. So I'm going to click on the yes. Now let's see which is this template. So as you can see, now this is the template which I have imported. So let me scroll down, scroll up. Yeah, this is the template which I have imported. Now simply we have to drag this here. Now simply we have to drag this here. For example, I'm going to put this here. Simply let's put it. And now we have to make it zoom, keep existing, and we have to wait 50 seconds. Now we have to make it zoom in. So I'm going to make it zoom in. As you can see, now simply we have to play this, and you will be able to see the result. So as you can see, this is the template which I have imported. Now as you can see, these all settings are provided here. If you want to edit these settings, you can also do that. Simply you just have to click on this, and you have to go to the edit option, and you can also edit the text as well. So in this way you can import the templates in the Adobe Premiere Pro. After that you can edit them. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do that. So see you in the next video.